Interesting psychological facts. Hashtag 14. You can love two people at the same time, but never at the same level. Heartbreak can literally kill you. Damage from a breakup or loss of loved one can lead to heart attack. A research found that 80% of people change their looks after breakup. "85% of people have experienced a dream so real that they were not sure if it happened in real life or not." A study found that lack of sleep leads to sugar craving. If you want to create an instant link to your crush, say his or her name at least twice in the conversation. After trust, respect is the second most thing which is required in love. Hypersomnia is a condition in which a person can sleep for 12 to 15 hours but still wake up feeling tired. Value the person who loves you, because once you lose that person, it is never exactly the same person who comes back. Do not argue through text messages, because the lack of tone decreases the meaning of the words. When talking to someone, use their name frequently. It makes people feel like they have a personal connection with you. A study found that not arguing at all in a relationship represents a lack of interest. Songs really do hit different when you have experienced what they are talking about. Psychology says a crush only lasts for 4 months. If it exists, then you are already in love. The most beautiful thing is when you make someone laugh after they have finished crying. Never hide your bad side to make someone stay. Instead, show your bad side to see who actually stays. Psychology says you realize you truly love someone when you want them to be happy, even if it is not with you. According to a study, 70% of females use silence to express pain. Apologizing does not always mean you are wrong and the other person is right. It means you value a relationship more than your ego. Gum wakes up your brain and allows you to concentrate and focus better. The worst type of crying is the silent one, where you have to hold your breath and grab your tears just trying to keep quiet. Studies show that cuddling before bed helps the brain to relax, reduces overthinking and make it easier to fall asleep. Psychology says when you are ignored by a person whose attention means the most to you, the reaction in your brain will be similar to physical pain. A daytime nap of around 15 to 45 minutes can improve memory and cut the risk of heart attack. It is impossible to remain angry at someone you truly love. Anger lasting for more than 3 days indicates that you are not in love. You usually argue with those you care about. People avoid fights completely when they are no longer interested. A good morning text doesn't always mean good morning. It has a silent message that says, "I think of you when I woke up." Sometimes you just have to let her win, because losing the argument is easier than losing her. Wait 4 to 6 months before becoming too attached. It's generally in this time that a person's true motives are revealed. Crying releases stress hormones, which is why you feel better after crying. 90% of people laugh even harder when they try to explain why they are laughing. If someone is always angry at you, just stay calm. It will help them to be ashamed later. Finger pointing is a very negative offensive gesture. It has negative connotation all around the globe. Did you know your body is designed to get 4 hours of sleep twice per day instead of 8 hours once? Talking to an old friend makes you realize how much your life has changed. A psychological study revealed that 72% of people get their best creative ideas in shower. Being alone weakens your body. Having friends strengthens your body.